Bappa ko laane. Bappa is coming, guys.
Smile.
Moria re, Bappa Moria.
ওকে ব্যবসা করতে দিন, ফালতু মাথা কাউকে লাভ নেই।
Hey everyone, this is Ritagni. How are you all? I am so excited because today is Ganesh Chaturthi and here goes my first vlog. So straight for 11 days I'm gonna post some amazing vlogs featuring our favorite Bappa. Okay, so today I'm wearing this pink sari and with this I've worn some like minimalistic jewelries and I've put some flowers. Don't know if you can see it, but yeah. So right now mom has already started making the bhog because today she is handling the kitchen. I am going to start the preparations for the puja for the consecration, because right now if you see Bappa's face is covered, because when he comes we prefer putting a cloth on his face like to hide him a little bit. So when finally the consecration happens, the cloth goes up and we can see his avatar, his roop. So I'll share it with you how we celebrate Ganesh Chaturthi. So Ganpati Bappa Moria, Mangal Murti Moria. Na?
Mummy,
Why are you standing like this?
Smile. Sit. Wait. Nothing. I don't want anything else. Please. Close your eyes. Wait. Don't look at me. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Don't open it. Look. This is a certified form of makeup. Oh my god! What did you do? You better put this and show my.
Wait, close your.
What did you do?
Oh my god, what are you doing?
Bro, did you not?
The first time I came to Mumbai was in 2022, and it happened to be the day of Ganesh Chaturthi. So I remember it was just a usual morning for me, because I literally had no idea what is Ganesh Chaturthi, because the way it's celebrated in Mumbai, this craze, it's not anywhere. So yeah, I had gone to the market with my mom, like for usual household groceries and stuff. So there I saw a lot of Ganpati idols, the few ones which were unsold and waiting for going to someone's home. I don't know how to describe it, like his eyes, his presence, everything felt like a different world. It was like I was shaken at that point, and I badly wanted to take him home, but yet again I didn't know anything, because he is really powerful and really divine. I can't bring him home without knowing anything about him, right? I need to do justice to him. So I couldn't get him. So I walked back to my apartment like with a broken heart, really felt very bad. But as I was walking towards the lift, I don't know what happened. I was with my mom, so I told her that let's walk backwards, because maybe I don't know what happened. I just walked backwards and I spotted a small electric shop, and there among all these decorative lights, all these festive lights glowing full on, I spotted one small idol. It's like this. It was a small light, and it was a lotus. In between that there was this Ganpati. I'll attach this picture so you can see how he looked. So the shopkeeper was like, nobody is buying it, so you can take it free, because it was a 50 rupees, and nobody bought it because it was too many and they did not need it. But that day I realized that how crazily such a good friend can Ganpati be. I wanted him, and he was there for me, but in a way which surprised me. So I bought that idol home. I didn't know anything about the aartis, nothing, no vidhis and all. For the next 21 days, I did his puja, morning and evening. We used to do his aarti. Didn't know anything about the vidhi and all so much. So the only thing I chanted while the aarti on YouTube was played was Om Gam Ganpate Namah. So I kept repeating it, because that was the only way I could speak to him, because I didn't know the mantra and all. So it went on like this. I kept praying him and he stayed with me. But In 2023, something really weird happened. That is on the 11th day, that is Anant Chaturdashi. So it was a usual morning for me. I went and I turned on the switch because it's a light. And you won't believe what happened. That moment was like it was a short circuit and the socket blew off. So for that 1 second, I was like, oh, I've reached heaven, because it was really like a blast, like a big blast, and it was like whole smoked up and black. So I really got scared and I was like, fine, maybe it's gone. And then when I opened my eyes, the only thing I was searching was for Ganpati. I just wanted that idol to be safe and I couldn't find it. So I thought that maybe I lost him, maybe something went wrong, or maybe something I did wrong. That's why he got angry on me or upset. It was a really weird feeling. So I really got emotional and I started panicking. But I saw this like the light was broken, the wire flew somewhere, and it surprised me that in the corner of my sofa, this small idol was there. It had fallen there. So at that point, my family was really panicked because they thought that something really bad happened, because it was a switchboard and the switchboard blew off. So I took that idol from there and I went running and I kept him in the temple of my house. So, and I told him that I whispered him that, I don't know what happened, what is this, but maybe I hope next year you will come to me and you will come to me the way you come to everybody's house, right? So, and then in 2024, there he was with me. I still don't know how to, explain that situation when I brought him home, when he was here for straight 11 days, and I literally have no words. And then the most beautiful magic happened was Shivek's Ganpati. Before I was so emotional and I wanted to keep him so bad. Like, what is 11 days? I want to keep him for 365 days because he is my only soul connection. I don't need to explain him anything. He is mine. That feeling, that feeling of unconditional love, I have it with him. So I was like, I need to do something, because the Visarjan, everybody was ready. They were like, hurrying up, rushing towards the car. They were decorating all the stuff. I had only 5 minutes, so me and my sister Agni, we made this song, and I think it was a way of Bappa reminding us that if you really want something and if your wish is really pure, believe me, he always fulfills it. Doesn't think. And this is 2025 and here he is. Just look at him. I literally have no words, because, and when everybody saw the height of this idol, like my whole family was staring at me and Agni, that what is this? Like, how is this possible? Because earlier he was like this and now he's like this. So Ganpati Bappa Moria, Mangal Murti Moria. I love you all and thank you so much for all the love you have given to me. I love you.